No one checked on me when I needed, so I just stack my bread, stay in my bag and not in my feelings. Overthink too much, I get distracted.
Received a lot of positive feedback on the YouTube videos as well, so first of all I want to thank everyone that is watching and everyone that is give me a second, there's someone in front of the door.
林一是你一起的吧？
对。
他的房间要打扫吧？
要打扫。
要打扫是吧？
对。
我看见他是晾了清扫单，晾了那个勿扰单。
啊，没事。
晾了勿扰单可以去打扫吗？
可以，都可以打扫。
那个对面林一。对，
对面的。
好。
Alright, so I'm currently in China, and the reason for this trip in China is because we're going to open an office and we had to speak to a bunch of partners. Now, when doing business with China, and especially having clients overseas that are also communicating with China, you need to have infrastructure that is incredibly tough to establish, and that's why you need partners on the ground here in China as well, because regardless of the advantage that I have that I do speak the language, there's so many legalities that you need to navigate around, from having a Hong Kong parent company with a Chinese subsidiary and having agreement between those two, and hiring on the ground here in China. And we need to fill an office by the end of this year with close to 100 desks. So it's truly been one of the biggest moves that I've ever made in my entire life, and I've been sleeping an average of 4 hours a day. Let me quickly show you my Aura stats. Here we go. That's 5 hours, 6 hours. Okay, maybe I exaggerated a little bit, but yeah, you get the gist. We're sleeping very little, and that's because this has truly been one of the biggest things that I've ever done in my entire career. This is one of the biggest moves that I will ever make, which I'm very confident there's no one on this planet right now that is able to do what we're doing, and that's why it gets me so excited, because it's truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And obviously we'll take you through it all, so yeah.
Sad that I know all the tea. Broken pinky promises. You fucked up our Bahamas trip. I know that you're not for me.
So currently on the way to 怎么了？
要不要给你上牛肉？
可以。Alright people, so currently on the way to Amsterdam. We're gonna visit Vince's office for one day, and then we'll be going to the team members in Barcelona. It's been a good trip. Bro, keep your clothes on, man. Visit Vince's office for one day, check out what the boys are up to, and after that we're gonna fly to Barcelona, which we have Wojtek and Ruben and a few other team members. So excited to see them. They're gonna run the marathon. I don't think I'm gonna run it. Currently on the plane, as you can see, we like to stay productive. That's how we do. A few more hours ahead in the air, and then we'll touch down in Europe. All the way from China back to the roots for a few days. Quick pit stop, gonna hit Vince's office, see what's up, and then we're gonna make our way to Barcelona. Vamos! Hostias! And within not even 24 hours, we're back in Amsterdam. What the hell, man?
Hola amigo.
¿Qué pasa?
Vámonos.
Where are we going, bro?
Hacemos en la Barcelona. ¿Qué tal?
Vamos. We are here. The homie. You ready for the marathon?
Ready. Born ready.
Where we going, boys? Checking out the new crib?
To the house.
Vamos. So we just got to Barcelona. How's it moving from Hong Kong to Barcelona? What has it been like?
Tranquilo.
Tranquilo?
No. I would say a pretty big difference, honestly. But I kind of miss sometimes I miss the hectic thing of Hong Kong, but in general, I would say it's better to be.
Yeah.
In August, I'll be back in Asia again. Yeah, I miss the Asian stuff.
Yeah.
Asian stuff?
Everything Asian. Bro. Everything Asian. I just miss this shit, man. Yeah, Ruben is living his best life. I was kind of depressed in Hong Kong, to be honest.
No. I mean, I still need to get the hang of it, but it's been better than Hong Kong so far.
You ready, boys?
Yes. I'm ready.
Boys, I came all the way from China
Do not run.
to support you guys from the sideline, bro. That's the difference. It's all about the framing. Yeah, no, I mean, I'm pretty sick, boys. I'm still in my jet lag. I'm tired. But you guys will do the run for me, eh? Huh?
Yes.
You'll represent...
I will do it. I don't know about Wojtek.
It's a tough one. I'm excited for you, boys. I'm excited for you. Here we go, bro.
How you doing?
Doing very well, bro. New face behind the camera, bro.
Yeah.
This is your weapon for today. Oh, man. The boys ready to rip it?
How we feeling, boys?
Good.
Excited now.
Yeah?
I'm feeling the
I don't know.
adrenaline coming up.
Yeah, it's our first race, so
Yes.
it's like the first experience of something like this. So very excited.
Damn, you look like proper runners, bro.
You look like you're gonna finish first.
Yeah.
It's all the outfit, man.
So we got Kaman behind
Nice
the
to meet
camera
you.
today, who's been nice enough to tag along last minute.
Aye, can't get lost with sheep, I walk a spun and not bite me off. After all, can't ball on my own, I'm my brother's keeper. Take a bit longer to drop to sit on the top, not stopping it either. The harder to paint, the softer the canvas, stay when I'm on like Lisa. The vision, additional mission is critical, but enough we see for. Bring it together, pulling the lever, now follow the...
The boys send their live location, probably around here, and then they'll pass us here. So let's wait for them here. Then you and I, let's head to Soho House, get some work in, get breakfast, and just wait until they get close to the finish and then head to the finish line. What the hell, bro? Someone just recognized me.
If you would stay maybe a bit longer, you would...
Dude, what the hell? Someone just walked up to me. It's like, yo, Daniel Dela. What the hell, bro? I mean, this is like iconic. I always wear this.
Yeah, that's true.
What the hell?
That's
bro?
why.
That's crazy. Oh, lucky us. Gonna give a shit for the camera, bro. Be careful. And I'm so sick, and I'm so glad I'm not running this marathon. Right. Yo, this is the first time we got Emily in the house, eh? Hi to YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
Yeah, the boys are actually quite slow. Sorry, bud. Yeah. But yeah, anyway, so we got some work in. Spent the afternoon at Soho House. So yeah, we're gonna walk over to the finish line and we'll be waiting for the boys there. Look at them, bro. One more corner and then they'll be there. You fucking did it, man. Congrats, boys.
Oh, respect for you. Respect, bro, that I did this without any training. We trained for 8 weeks. Thank you, bro.
Good job, bro. Good job.
Show the medal, bro. Show it. Show
it. Nice job, man.
Bro, look at the
Fuck, we really underestimated this shit, bro. Oh, we were like, yeah, we do it in 4:45. I think like 5 hour 30 with it.
Yeah.
That's good.
What is the marathon?
I went to visit the boys, Wojtek and Ruben, to run the marathon, to support them, which was really nice. But now I cut the Barcelona trip a few days short because I was just ripped out of my routine. I actually was quite sick as well. I think I caught something along the way back through all of these different parts in the world, from Shanghai to Dubai to Amsterdam and now currently in Spain. So I've actually been a little sick the last few days. And while I've been sick, there's a lot going on, because as someone that's, you know, gone through different stages in his career, it's very important to understand that every single stage within your life or within your business has different challenges. I know guys that struggle with challenges that I, you know, hope to experience one day. But to give you an example, they're dealing with banks because they get so much money coming into their account and the bank constantly flagging them. And the reason I'm telling you this is because it puts things in perspective. Like, the problems that I deal with today are problems that someone else has faced years ago. And that's also one of the reasons why I'm putting content out there, because I know there's a lot of value and there's a lot of lessons behind the things that I go through, for everyone else to kind of skip a stepping stone within their career, which is obviously the main reason why I'm sharing, because I'm super proud of what we're doing and who we're doing it with, and obviously to share the lessons along the way of getting to where I want to go. Which leads to the second thing, is what we're currently experiencing with the company is that we're going through a lot of growth, and it's incredibly important to understand that you as a founder are leading a team, and you set a mission, and you create a vision, and you make sure that there's people that tag along and align on that vision that you have. Now, everything that I feel, my team feels. So even when there's uncertainties, or even when there's important decisions to be made, you need to be able to be the person that they can rely on, and that's tough. Every now and then, I have, doubts as well. I struggle as well, but it's incredibly important to make sure that you're always the one people can rely on, and you need to be on 24/7. And with what we're doing and the size of it, it's truly been one of the biggest things that I ever had to tackle. And what I'm noticing right now is that in order to take 10 steps forward, I need to take 1 step back, and that's been tough while navigating through the travel. So I'm just really excited to go back to China, to get everything done on the ground, be dialed in again with a super good routine, wake up, have a coffee, get to work out, and then get back to bed and do the same thing over and over again, because that's really what I need to be doing right now. But one of the first things that I wrote down on my kind of like list of things that I want to do this year, as in goals, is spend more time with my parents. So even though I feel like the world is burning, I'm still trying to keep my peace, be present, and enjoy the time with my parents, because what am I doing it all for if I don't get to enjoy these moments with them, right? So gonna do some groceries now, and then I'm gonna get back to work.